In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your birthday details private on Gmail. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your birth details has always been public on Gmail and you wish to make it private, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Gmail account. And once you are logged in, head over to your profile icon on top here. From this, go to manage your Google account and then go to the sidebar here. You can see we have this option called personal info. Choose this and this will highlight your personal information on your Gmail. Now from here, go ahead and choose birthday. As you can see, my birthday is here and you can see the current status. It is visible to anyone. So I'll wish to make this private, and to make it private, go ahead and just choose only you. And I'm told by choosing this information is private, only you can see it. And therefore it will not be available in Google services where anyone else can access it. So that's how you can make your birthday details private on your Gmail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.